So welcome back to the training, and this is where we ended from the first training, and we are right here on the GoTranscript website. Now the moment you come to this website, what do? I know that many of you, what you'll be looking for is the sign up button, because that is what you are used to. You want to sign up and start making money very, very quick. But that is not what you are supposed to do. Before signing up, you are supposed to understand what the website is all about. Look at it, the services they offer, you check it, view all services, you go there, you check it, you check about us, what the company is about. Then, very, very important, you check up the frequently asked questions here. You just generally know about the website. That's what somebody that really wants to understand the business should do. Then after doing that, then you can now come in here and click the sign up button. Now click and sign up to the website. Now it will lead you to this screen. Now the lazy way out is just to sign up with Facebook or sign up with Google. I don't advise you ever do this with any account you are signing up with, unless they are related companies like Instagram and Facebook and then WhatsApp. They are all linked together. You can use one or the other to sign up there. But website like this, always use your email address. You don't want to disclose too much about your personal details. Now because you put in your email here, you put the password, then you just sign up. But I've already signed up with this website, so I'm just going to log in, and we are here. Then remember password, then I log in to the back end. Now this is the back end of the website. This is the back end of the website. I see here everything relating to the website, what to expect and all, transcription, here's and English. Now what you are seeing here, 0. This per minute, because as you open this account, they expect that either you are doing transcription job or you are also ordering for yourself. You can do both here. You want to transcribe any spoken words like this video I'm doing now. If I want to convert it into a book, maybe a text format, I can just pay here 0.72 per minute. I just pay here and get it done. Do you understand? So that is how you go about signing up with this website. So this is the back end. You discover that there is nowhere here where you can say, okay, you want to start doing transcription work. So what you do is that you come down here. Yes, this is it here. You click on for, you see this place is for transcriptionists. This for those that are making the orders and they want to make the orders. This is the services being rendered here. So you click on work. Yes, exactly. So this is where you can now start applying, where you can apply. You understand? This is where you can apply. So what you do first is you can click on this.
Welcome to GoTranscript, one of the world's most powerful platforms for transcription tools.
What the website is all about. So the moment you watch this YouTube video, you understand what it is all about. Do you understand? Then you now come down to apply for the test. Please read all this. Make sure you read all these things. If you are a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work and you want to make a difference in your work, that means they take anybody from any country in the world. They don't segregate. So to apply, you just click on this, apply now. And of course, you are going to choose English. So this is it. Apply for transcriber position. Then look at the guidelines here. You download it. You have to understand, some people will just go straight and start asking questions in the class. Please, which one should I tick? Which one should I tick? This is not all about which one should I tick. Make sure you understand the platform, then you know exactly what you are answering. Do you understand? Now to get, so this is the guideline here. It is opened English. So if you have any question and about the rules, you can just email it to them, because let me check this 5 minutes now. I'm going to pause it here and continue in the next video. I don't want the video to be too heavy, please. Thank you.